mai ka I ke aloha a ka ipo. Hana mau oli I ka pu'uai. Hou hou li'i I ka poli. No velo I ka pili au au.
Aloha, I'm Lena Ala, o Spencer-Balka. I'm representing the Hui o Hawaii, and our gracious ladies will be entertaining you this evening. Tonight we'll be depicting few hulas awana in the Hawaiian division. From our first number, Kalihua I Mili'ia, Never to Fondle One's Heart, into La'i Kawai, treating your relationship and life at its most highest pinnacle. Honolulu, one of our beloved areas, our Wahipana, Waikiki. And we'll be ending with my home island, where I'm from, Waika, and loving you, haku mele into a beautiful mele hula. Aloha no, and have a wonderful evening from the gracious ladies of Hui o Hawaii. Aloha!